Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna and my nails, I just recently did them and it also matches the pink on my shirt. It says "You Go Girl." It's been embroidered. My sister did that for a Christmas gift. Okay, besides that,
I'm rambling.
So I just filmed a decluttering video and a desk tour. I just decluttered the entire thing. I got rid of all of the things that I did not need for the new school year. I reorganized all my pens, papers, notebooks, and everything like that. And hopefully it'll give you guys some inspiration to clear out your own desk or even just to get organized because school is starting. So if you want to see how I organized it, then keep on watching.
Seven hours later.
So the actual desk itself is from IKEA. It has like one metal bar space right there and then one solid side. So this side I just keep my garbage can over there, which is super gross. I'm not going to show that. And then I also have a multi-cable, multi-plug thing. Like, what is that? Like, I just have one of those at the bottom so I can charge my laptop while I'm studying or my phone if I really need to. Basically, I just keep my laptop here in the center of my desk because I use it for basically every subject. I just use it for textbooks because I never ever bring them home. It's just way too heavy and I am very weak, so that's what it's for. I just have my water bottle that I
drink out of, like, I don't know, like, bro, what else do you use a water bottle for?
Talking more about the desk, this is actually a whiteboard, so I really like it because I can always put up my agenda stuff here and then I say that is all the homework I need to get done by today and I just check them off as I go. In the corner I just have a small photo of me and my friends at semi-formal, so that's just
My friends.
basically. I just have two dictionaries. I have a French-English dictionary and then I just have a regular one. And then on this side I have my EE book. This is Room by Emma Donoghue. You might have seen the movie. The book is really good. But that's basically just what I have on the shelf portion. So in the first shelf, I just have my AirPod case and my Apple mouse, and then I just turn the AirPod box so you can see the logo here. So basically in this cup right here, I just have like movie stubs and like ticket stubs and like bus thingies, like when I met my friend Viezra from Australia. So she actually flew all the way here to meet me, which was so kind of her. And basically I put all of the things that we did in a Stranger Things cup because we actually met on Tumblr because of Stranger Things and we became like internet besties, and that's just a really nice reminder. So I have that here. I have my IB pin code thing for when you're checking your results. And then down here on this shelf, I have Ankit's SL Econ exam review cue cards. I like to do all my exam reviews through cue cards. These are my bio ones. And then on the last shelf, I just have a notebook where I just jot down some quick notes. This is actually from Japan. And then I have some rocks that my friends got me. This one's from Portugal, as you can see, and then these two are actually from Turkey. So I just like to keep those here. If you want to get me anything, get me rocks. And now for the drawers. So the drawers that I have on the right hand side is everything writing wise because I am right-handed. Basically, I just have all these expo markers for the whiteboard. And then I have a ruler, I have some fine liners if I want to do headings. I have a thick Sharpie, a thin Sharpie. And then here I have some scissors. I have a calculator. This calculator sucks, but my actual calculator is in my backpack. And then here I just have some sucky pens that are good, but only when I'm just like doing trash notes. I'll explain trash notes in another video. And then I just have two erasers, and then I have some whiteout. And then over here I have all my Moody pens. So these are all my refills, and some of them have my names from when I was really young. Basically, I used to label all of my things with my name because Those fucking extra as hell. This one's like a Muji dupe. Recently found a shop where they sell Muji dupes, so I am loving that store. And then I just have some Muji 0.3 aluminum pencils, and then I have a hexagonal Muji pen refill for my pencil case. And then in the very back, you can't really see, I just have these, bro, what are those called? I don't know what those are called, but
those things.
and then I have
These things.
but these are for the end of the year when I have to clip all of my notes together. So all these container things that hold all of my stationery are from Muji. Sorry. Are from Muji. So these containers were like $4, $5, $6 each. This container is from the Muji dupe store. So the containers itself is actually a little bit thinner. It's a little bit shorter, so it is a bit cheaper, but honestly, it does the same thing and it's never gonna wear out because it's fucking plastic. And besides that, I have these huge stack of papers. So you can see the top one is econ, and then I have some English, and then I have French at the bottom. And then in the drawer beside the right one, obviously there's only two, I have slicky sheets. If you want to see how I study with slicky sheets, then just let me know in the comments on how I study and organize all of my work. It's really weird that these are on this side, but basically the packaging has this really ugly writing, so I just put it upside down so I don't have to see that. And then I have some cue cards when I do study for my exams. I have all my report cards down here. And then I just have line paper and then some empty notebooks and a hole puncher. These are some of my all-time favorite cards given to me from my friends. So this one's from Dima. I believe this one's from Aiden, and then these two are from Christine. I love my friends, right? Like the cards are there, the photos there. My friends are just great, so I love those cards. Then I just have this remote. It's actually for my light up mirror. If you guys want to see how I did that, I have to redo it actually really soon. So that remote just controls the light. And that is it all for my desk tour. And beside my desk, I have a 2x4 bookshelf. It can be horizontal where it's 4x2, but this way I like it 2x4 just because it's taller and it's easier to access things because it's standing upright. And I have some plants at the top. So this is a birds of paradise plant, and then there's this calathea, and then this one is, I don't know. And then here I have a 1.5 inch, as you can read, binder. It's actually empty and I just put all my old notes in here. This is an old math notebook, and then I have all math notebooks here. These 4, 5, 6 are math notebooks. So these are all my slicky sheets for chemistry, math, and bio. If you want to see how I organize my binders and my study stuff, then let me know in the comments below. And this container, it's from Muji again, but it was really expensive. I believe it was like 25 bucks. So in the front, I just have my Adidas fanny pack. It's been the bag I've been gravitating towards the most in the summer, so that is the bag that I have in the front. Then I have my Kate Spade bag. I just keep it in the front because this is also the formal bag that I reach for when I do go out. And then I have another black bag in the back from Urban Outfitters and a brown Coach bag in the back for more subtle outfits. Then I just have a mini Champion backpack in the back. And then moving down, I have these books. I've been reading these books since 3rd grade. As you can see, they're all worn. I keep reading them. I have literally like 40 of them. As you can see in the back, I have more of them in here, and then I have another series here. So they go in series of 6. So these are the first 6 and this 6. Then this 6, and then this 6. And I just love the series. I would love to do a book review, but no one does those anymore and no one would watch them, so I'm not gonna do that video. And then I also, in here, I have more of them. So these are some special edition that I have. And then these are another 6. And then I have some Percy Jackson books in the back and some poem books, but those aren't really my cup of tea. They're nice when I'm in a mood, but I never really get into those moody moods. And then on this side, I have more of my favorite books. These are Joan Bower. These are honestly some of my favorite books ever. Again, I would love to do a book review, but no one
fucking cares.
Confessions of a Shopaholic, also a really good book. And then here I have
more books. Again,
I have all my all-time favorite books. These are
the best books that I've ever read in my entire life.
I'm missing Pretty Girls from this collection because my friend has it, but that will be added shortly. So I have Sharp Objects, All the Light We Cannot See, Gone Girl, Keepsake, My Life in Black and White, Revenge Wears Prada, All the Missing Girls, The Perfect Girl, The Couple Next Door, Into the Water, A Thousand Splendid Suns.
If you haven't read it, you have to read it.
And Crazy Rich Asians, of course. And
no tea, no shade. Every other book sucks.
so these 4 book cubicles actually have a double layer, so I have twice as many books as you can see. These 2 containers I got from IKEA. They're just like cloth. So I used to have a clear container, and then I realized that they're intimates, right? And you're not supposed to see them, but I'm showing them anyways because these are just like bras and underwear that I have organized, and then here I just have bikinis. So guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for making it this far. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.